how to find shipping origin settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click this one here, settings, and now click and now here we'll find it. Here we'll find Bigcommerce settings. Just go to setup, and here we'll find shipping, or you can just type here shipping and you will find it. And then as you see, the first one here, shipping origin, and here you can manage shipping origin, and that's it. Just click add shipping address and type here anything you want, and then click submit. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.